flicker underneath my skin, the ember of a new beginning. My patience is wearing thin, holding on to that happy ending. It's time to choose the future of my new beginning. There's nothing to lose except the hope of a happy ending. I've made it to the crossroads, I'm not sure which path to take. Every ticking second is another step I have to make. Do I value what I love more than what I can give? Is my future really mine, or is it yours to live? I'm foolish for living in a constant state of oblivion. I'm foolish for believing that I have a choice. I'm foolish for thinking that I'm the one in a million. I'm foolish for believing I have a voice. I'm fighting fire with fire, but the further I fall, the flames keep climbing higher. Your patience is wearing thin, you might not get my happy ending. I'm still at the crossroads, haven't chosen which path to take. Every ticking second is another rule I have to break. Do I value what I love more than what I can give? Is my future really mine, or is it yours to live? I'm foolish for living in a constant state of oblivion. I'm foolish for believing that I have a choice. I'm foolish for thinking that I'm the one in a million. I'm foolish for believing I have a voice. Every word I write is another step towards failure. To be someone I'm not is like throwing myself into the flames. Every step I make is another reason to fall right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more step and I fall into oblivion. I'm foolish for being so naive. I'm foolish for giving you no time to breathe. I'm foolish for giving you a chance. I'm foolish for thinking you'd understand.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby won't you tell me do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
All I wanted was a little consistency. Take me home. Steve Reich, please sing me a song composed out of thin air. I have no expectations, you can do whatever's fair. And all this time, all I needed was in front of me. Take me home. Over all the walls are collapsing, staying cool. The steam rolls out, batting me beneath the shroud. Oh, it stings when I go under, and then it rings but noiselessly.